Welcome back to Migratory Game. I got tired of it, waiting on the rain, trying to work on this boat in between the rain. I'd really like to take it out Sunday. It's supposed to not rain Sunday, but I got to finish patching it. Dad's coming over here in just a little bit to help me. So instead of working out there in the rain, I decided to just shove everything from this front half of my little shed here. I just shoved it all back. I'll organize it sometime. I ran some power out here from the house because we don't have any power out here. Got a little light. I'll be able to plug in the tools. But I gotta finish putting some plastic over the nose here and finish going around the edges here, smooth it out, and then I'm gonna sand it down a little bit. It's gonna look a little rough, and I'm all right with that. As far as like that dent there, I might put some plastic over it, fill it in, or I just sand that stuff down and make it smooth. But I didn't want you guys to feel left out. I didn't want to go ahead and do this and not record it for you. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to try to just do a lot of time lapse on it. I'm going to go ahead and get started on it. Heat that plastic up and try to melt it on there. Guys, if you enjoy these scanoe videos, I got a lot of things. I got a lot of plans for it. I gotta finish fixing it, but I want to paint it. I want to put seats on it. I want to make homemade fishing pole holders inside the boat. I'm gonna put lights on it. I got a lot of ideas to do to this boat over the next few months. Try to have it ready for spring. I got a lot of stuff I want to do. I want to make noodles, homemade noodles, make them myself to go fishing. But today we're going to try to finish this nose up, finish those cracks up in the back, get this thing where I think it's ready to go in the water, and then hopefully we can take it to the lake. We'll see if it floats. I bought a paddle today, just a cheap one. I'm a tight ass. So I bought this paddle. It was like $8. But we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys was able to see that melt. And I'm gonna let it cool. But I can't pull that back off, so this right here, I gotta go back over this. So I'm gonna cover the nose of this boat. That's the plan. In this bucket. Something like that, or more like that, yeah. Like that. And we'll touch this up, smooth it out, and then we'll go from there. Alright, let this cool. I'm gonna do an experiment. I didn't smear it out or nothing. I just heated it up until it melted on there. I seen the boat get nice and shiny. I'm gonna let that cool, and I'm gonna see if I can't pull that up. We'll just try. If you guys got a canoe or a kayak or a scanoe, something that's not very wide, let me know what you think about it. If you enjoy it, if you like it out on a big open lake. I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of nervous. It's pretty wide in the middle, but I've never had a kayak or a scanoe, so I'm not sure how stable it'll be. If you guys are enjoying this video, let me know. Just tell me if you like it or hate it. I just thought since I was going to work on it, I'd record it for you guys. I know it's not the dog training videos I've been doing. It's something a little different. Change it up a little bit. Okay, it's still pretty warm. I'm just curious. See, it's kind of flimsy there, but let's see. Yeah, it's coming up. It's coming up. Alright, so it didn't bond very good. So we're just going to continue, heat this up, lay it down, and then we'll smear it out. I was just curious to see if it'd bond like that, but we'll heat it up, smear it out. We're filling that hole. Alright guys, I'm pretty confident in that. I got to sand around the edges, but the hole was right there. Definitely went around it enough to fill in the hole. I got this side done. This side's done. I thought about, you know, wrapping the whole nose of it, but I don't really think it's necessary. So I'm just gonna do that, sand this down a little bit, make it look a little better, flip the scanoe over, and I'll show you the inside real quick. Hopefully you can see it. So I wanna do the inside of it also. But as far as the outside goes, I think I'm pretty much done with that. Like I said, I just gotta sand it down a little bit, make it look a little better, and then I think it'll be ready. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to sand all these rough edges down. That didn't work. Alright. That's alright. It's alright. I got something. I got something here for that. Oh, alright, so I see a little hole here. Look at that. So we gotta fix that. But that there, no problem. Little spot there, but I know it looks a little rough, and it ain't gonna be perfect, which it's fine with me. As long as it floats, I don't care if it looks a little rough. So let's fix those holes. Alright, so I'm gonna let that cool. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. We're gonna do the inside. I flipped the boat over, I started welding on the inside, so I'm gonna try to set the camera down in there just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Guys, I've pretty much fixed this whole boat so far with a 5-gallon bucket. I know, crazy. Alright, y'all. There's that hole there. The nose is done. I think the boss just showed up. Alright, so Dad's here. His name's Hank. Some of you know him, some of you don't. We're gonna fix these cracks here and then we're done. Hopefully it'll float. Alright guys, so we're done for the night. It's starting to get late. It's pretty dark out, but there was a little scratch here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get you a little closer. A little scratch there. We went ahead and filled it in. And this right here is where the cracks was. It's pretty smooth. We sanded it down. That crack there. Put some plastic in there on the inside. So now we're gonna take it out and see if it'll float. Stay tuned. Look, see if we're gonna sink it or not. That's my tripod. Worked pretty good.